What if you're driving down the highway in your Toyota and suddenly your engine stalls, or your transmission fails, or your brakes go out? It's a nightmare scenario, but it's one that many Toyota owners have experienced. So, which Toyota models should you buy, and which ones to avoid at all costs? In this video, we'll discuss the Toyota models known for good or bad, and the specific features they acquire. We'll also do some myth-busting about turbocharged engines, digging deep to see if they live up to the hype and how they stack up against good old naturally aspirated engines. So watch it until the end without a skip, so you may not miss any worn-out models, causing a waste of lots of money and frustration. First up, let's talk about the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, 2016 to 2018. These models have earned their stripes for being exceptionally reliable. While they share some family traits with the Camry, they stand out thanks to a facelift in 2016. Recalls for these models have been scarce, with the most noteworthy ones occurring in June 2019 and December 2017, related to incorrect load information labels. Owners are pretty enamored with their RAV4 hybrids, giving them the royal treatment with 5-star owner reviews. Smooth rides, comfort, quietness, dependability, and impressive gas mileage are among the many qualities they praise. Some even go as far as claiming these RAV4 hybrids are practically indestructible. But as with any love story, there are a couple of issues, like radio and audio GPS problems, and the absence of Apple CarPlay in the 2018 models. Let's shift gears to the Toyota Camry, 2015 to 2017. This automobile has been a North American sweetheart for decades. The 2015 model underwent a significant facelift, with Toyota enhancing the suspension, reducing cabin noise, upgrading the interior electronics, and adding a touch of drama to the exterior styling. Owners show their Camrys affectionately, consistently awarding them 5-star ratings for reliability, dependability, and comfort. Yet, there are a few sour notes in this symphony of praise. Some people find the headrests uncomfortable, as they push the driver's head forward at an unnatural angle. A resourceful driver shared the trick of flipping the headrests backward to solve this. Others grumble about the comfort of the rear seats. There have been a few in the recall department, primarily related to labels and airbags. Let's introduce you to the Toyota Avalon, 2015 to 2018, including its hybrid counterpart. These vehicles are like hidden treasures in the Toyota lineup. They're stretched Camrys, but come with a more budget-friendly price tag. Keep up with regular maintenance, and Avalons are extraordinarily reliable, often hitting the 200,000-mile mark quickly. The 2015 to 2017 Camrys is a different story, particularly with the 4-cylinder engine's notorious oil-thirsty tendencies if you skip regular maintenance. Avalon owners are head over heels for their cars, showering them with accolades for reliability, dependability, and overall comfort. Some even go so far as to say that the 2018 Avalon feels like a Lexus wearing a Toyota badge. However, if you reside in a region where the cold takes no prisoners, watch out for issues like wipers freezing and rear window defrosters refusing to cooperate. Let's set our sights on the Toyota Highlander, 2017 to 2019. These third-gen Highlanders that graced us during these years came with a fresh look, increased space, and many extra amenities. Owners can't stop praising their silky smooth rides, often likening them to luxury cars. In the safety department, 2017 was a game changer, introducing features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, with that steering assist across all trims. The 2019 model dialed it up even further with an 8-speed automatic transmission, extra horsepower for the 3.5-liter V6 engine, a sporty SE model, a standard start-stop system to save on fuel, and more USB ports. In terms of reliability, these Highlanders aced the test. There were minor hiccups, mainly related to the fuel system, emissions, and brakes. Depending on the trim, these Highlanders can comfortably seat up to 8 passengers. The Toyota Highlander really has long been a popular choice among families, known for its blend of comfort and reliability. However, the comfort is unevenly distributed throughout the cabin. Many Highlander owners have expressed concerns about the third-row seating, and this issue has garnered attention primarily with the 2017 Highlander model. Owners of this specific year have noted that the third-row space is less accommodating for children in car seats. It's essential for families with more than 4 members who often need to utilize the third row seating. Another area of concern is cargo space. Some owners have found it to be somewhat limited and challenging to access. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're on a family trip and must fit in all your luggage and gear. It's worth highlighting that Highlander models have faced recalls in recent years. In November 2020, there was a recall due to failing fuel pumps that could cause the engine to stall while driving, posing a safety risk. Additionally, a recall back in March 2019 related to incorrect labels led some owners to overload their Highlanders improperly. These recalls underscore the importance of staying informed about vehicle safety and promptly addressing manufacturer-identified issues. Shifting our focus to the Toyota 4Runner, this model has earned its place in the hearts of adventure seekers. With the slogan, "For Adventures, for Legends," the 4Runner has been an appealing choice for those who enjoy off-road exploration and rugged journeys. The 4Runner's 5th generation has been around since the 2010 model year, a noteworthy 13-year run. This extended production cycle speaks to its reliability and enduring popularity among enthusiasts and off-road enthusiasts alike. When assessing owner feedback, it becomes clear that the 4Runner enjoys a generally positive reputation. Owners have praised its power, comfortable ride quality, and well-built interior. These qualities are essential for drivers who want a reliable vehicle that can efficiently handle various terrains, while providing a comfortable driving experience. However, no vehicle is perfect, and the 4Runner is no exception. Some owners have voiced dissatisfaction with the vehicle's technology, describing it as reliable but basic. In the tech-driven world of modern cars, this can be a drawback for those who value advanced infotainment systems and connectivity features. In terms of recalls, the 4Runner has had its share. In July 2022, there was a recall about incorrect load-carrying pass modification labels for 4Runners equipped with 20-inch black gunner wheels. This issue raised concerns regarding safety and compliance with federal standards. Additionally, in December 2021, a recall was initiated due to problems with the driver's side high beam becoming inoperable after the installation of accessory fog lamps. These recalls underscore the importance of ensuring that your vehicle is up to date with safety standards and manufacturer recommendations. Now, let's learn a bit about turbocharged engines, which have become increasingly common in modern vehicles, including some Toyota models like the 2023 Highlander and 2023 GR Corolla. Turbocharging is often associated with improved performance and fuel efficiency. It allows smaller engines to deliver more power, which can be appealing in a world where fuel efficiency and emission standards are paramount. However, it's essential to examine the potential downsides of this technology. One of the critical concerns with turbocharged engines is their reliability and longevity. These engines tend to have shorter lifespans compared to naturally aspirated ones. Why? Because they come with a host of additional components, such as turbochargers and intercoolers, which require maintenance and eventually replacement. When these parts need attention, it can result in significant labor costs, making ownership more expensive in the long run. Another significant drawback is the complexity of working on turbocharged engines. Due to the additional components and their placement within the engine bay, servicing turbocharged engines can be challenging and therefore more costly. This complexity can discourage some car owners from performing necessary maintenance, reducing the engine's lifespan. Turbocharged engines also face challenges related to heat and pressure. Pressuring air and forcing it into the engine generates considerable heat and pressure. It strains the engine and can lead to damaged cylinder head seals, which can be costly to repair. In some cases, turbocharged engines can be sensitive to driving conditions. They may require more time to warm up properly, which can be problematic if you frequently take short trips or drive in extremely cold temperatures. Failure to allow the engine to heat up adequately can result in issues like carbon buildup on intake valves, affecting performance and efficiency. Regular oil changes are crucial for turbocharged engines, as they are more sensitive to oil quality. Neglecting oil changes can lead to performance problems and potentially costly repairs. So why are car manufacturers increasingly turning to turbocharged engines despite these potential drawbacks? The answer lies in improving Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) ratings. The EPA plays a pivotal role in establishing fuel efficiency standards for automobiles being sold in the United States. Manufacturers have recognized that turbocharging engines can theoretically burn less fuel, which translates to higher EPA ratings. These higher ratings can improve a vehicle's marketability and make it more appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. However, as we've explored, the advantages of turbocharged engines in terms of EPA ratings may come at the cost of long-term reliability and maintenance expenses. Therefore, while these engines may seem like a step forward regarding environmental impact, there are complexities to consider beneath the surface. Ultimately, choosing the best and worst Toyota models depends on individual priorities, whether family comfort, off-road capability, or environmental considerations. You must conduct thorough research and consider long-term implications when selecting a vehicle that best suits your needs and preferences. So, do you prefer turbocharged engines or not? Share your riding experiences with us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the following video.